Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing everything, log into Namecheap, and confirm two-factor auth and billing so no interruptions. Once logged in, back up your website files and database. Export the DB and download a full archive because changes are destructive. Then identify the domain you want as the new main domain. Unlock it if locked, and note its current DNS records and EPP status so you can replicate essential records later. Now add the new domain in your hosting control panel, make it an add-on or switch the primary site depending on your host. This ensures files point correctly. Then replicate DNS. Copy A, CNAME, MX, and TXT records from the old domain and temporarily set TTL to 300 seconds for faster testing. Make sure the document root points to the correct folder and set up SSL. Either generate a CSR for a certificate or enable the host's auto SSL so HTTPS works once propagation completes. Finish by changing the primary domain setting in Namecheap or your hosting dashboard and save. Then confirm the domain appears as primary. Once done, test the site and HTTPS, verify email flow, clear any CDN or browser caches, and use dig or host to check propagation. If something goes wrong, revert DNS to the previous records immediately, review web server and error logs for clues, and if needed, contact Namecheap support with specific account and domain details so they can assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.